My name is Rowland Barkley. The question for today is, what are the three minds to which I refer? Visual, emotional, and visceral. Visual is the mind in which one processes your ideas in a visual manner. And that's where one processes rather quickly. One is perceiving images or to understand what one is processing. Emotional mind, the auditory mind, because music and sound is the main thing that selects your emotions of the moment, your tone of voice inside your head, the tone of voice when others are referring to you. These are the key factors deciding your emotions. While we communicate directly with all minds, especially the visceral mind, deep in the belly, it's actually the kinesthetic mind. Synesthesia is the perception of the position of your muscles. If you put your muscles in a depressed position, you feel depressed. Put your muscles in the position, for example, of a tiger, you'll feel the energy of a tiger. You know, the human body is the tuner of all things. And, for deeper experience of these matters and to experience how these minds really can be yours, cooperating together, we have our courses which are going to appear, which is activation, on the 10th and 11th of November in Porto Alegre, and deep applied trances training on the 13th to the 18th of November 2018.